Where's the 2? Good boy. Can you get the 1? Where's the 1? Good job. What about the 7? Can you get the 7? 7. Can you say help, please? Okay, get the 7. There you go. Good job. 7. Can you get the 8? You got it. Just turn it. Turn your hand. There you go. Where's the 8? Good boy. Almost. Good.
9.
Good. You got the 9. Good job. What about the 3?
6.
Can you get the 3?
9.
You have the 9. Can you get the 3? What's that one?
2.
That's a 5. You flip them all over. What? Where does the 3 go? It kind of fits in the 8 spot, doesn't it? Almost. There you go. Good. What is this number?
2.
Is it a 4?